What will be the next weapons in the evolution of mankind's weapons? According to military scientists, the future will see the dominance of modern automatic weapons. In Germany, defense company Rheinmetall recently announced it has developed a new robotic ground vehicle based on the Wiesel platform, known as the autonomous Combat Warrior Wiesel. On a Twitter post, Rheinmetall said, Rheinmetall presents autonomous Combat Warrior Wiesel. Mature platform meets high-tech autonomy advancement. Accordingly, the autonomous Combat Warrior Wiesel, or ACW, is driven by a state-of-the-art autonomous kit, which is applicable to a variety of both track and wheeled vehicle systems, such as Boxer, Lynx, or HX tactical trucks. The new vehicle can be operated manually, remote controlled, or in full autonomous mode by programming waypoints on a tablet. It can avoid obstacles autonomously, and it can also follow a lead vehicle in convoy mode. Next generation features include detecting soldiers' behavior and off-road terrain. The ultimate goal is improving soldier safety by keeping operators out of harm's way. Under the Autonomous Combat Warrior program, the aim is to develop advanced sovereign robotics and automated vehicle technologies. This will create a local automated military vehicle capability. Autonomous Combat Warrior's goal is to fundamentally change the way in which land vehicles support military operations by transforming a vehicle from tool to teammate to provide currently unachievable levels of soldier protection, support, and tactical advantage. The program will focus on the automation of driving capabilities. The Visual Armor Weapons Carrier, or AWC, is a German light air transportable armor fighting vehicle, more specifically a lightly armored weapons carrier. It is quite similar to historical scouting tankers in size, form, and function, and is the only true modern tankette in use in Western Europe. The Wiesel 2 is a stretched version of the Wiesel 1 with a fifth road wheel. The engine was changed to a 1.9-liter Volkswagen inline 4-cylinder turbo diesel with direct injection and intercooler, giving 109 horsepower coupled to a ZF automatic transmission. The Wiesel 2 is generally bigger, faster, and stronger than the Wiesel 1, with advanced features for the protection of the crew such as enhanced armor, an air conditioning system, and NBC protection. The Wiesel has been in use several of the Bundeswehr's missions abroad. My video about the Autonomous Combat Warrior Wiesel answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.